My video guide is about removing the pop-ups that come from the site Vvbd.xyz. In case you see these pop-ups in your browser, obviously there is a trouble that may happen. These pop-ups have in mind to force customers into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. And if you start interacting with these pop-ups, as I said, you may be forced to download some third-party extensions that may hijack some of the crucial browser settings without your permission. So in case you see these pop-ups by that site Vvbd.xyz, do not ever interact with them and do not install anything that they suggest. These extensions, if they get installed, may change a lot of crucial browser settings in your computer. If they got installed, you should remove these extensions and access the menu, click on More Tools, then choose Extensions. So now you need to disable and remove any third-party extensions you might find here. We also recommend that you additionally investigate the safety of your computer with the help of reliable antivirus program, and we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on this page, combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and then start researching and investigating your device to detect and neutralize other threats from your computer in the effective manner. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.